Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful butterfly card. I have the envelope in another file that will be in your PDF file when you buy the kit, and it will have all these things, or how to make them at least, and this great envelope goes with it. And here is the butterfly card. That's the top. You can see I have it on there really nice. And you open it up and it's just full of butterflies. So pretty. It's crazy. It pops up with all these beautiful butterflies. Okay, so in your file you'll have a card base. That's this. It folds this way. Can I edge everything? Just looks better without all that white. So there's your card base. Always sign the back of it too. And then you have these two pop-up discs. I'm going to use the round one for this, and then you can use this anytime you want. It's just kind of nice if you have a happy birthday or something like that, you can go ahead and add that to it. But it should fit right here, like this. Right, here is the round one. So what you do, you figure out how it's going to go in there nice and tight, and you push it up against the back of the card. So when you open it up, you'll see it like that. Just make sure it closes, and go ahead and put a little dot just anywhere. And you don't want to make it real tight. You want to make it so you've got some flexibility. And you can use washi tape and everything you'd like and embellish it a lot more behind here. So if there are any imperfections, you can also just take your dark stick, rub it in. Actually, it looks a little pretty. Gives a little, you just can't mess up paper. Okay. Alright, and you've got that. And now do the same thing on the other side. I like to do it on the, right there. Close. And now your pop-up is in place. Then you will notice that you'll have one insert. It's called the signature insert. And that goes right here, and that's for a signature. You kind of want to put that on first so that you make sure you don't cover it. There you go. Perfect. Then you have all these lovely butterflies. You have got, and you'll have three, so you can do 3 different colors, 3 of each one in your kit. So cute. There you go. All different sizes. You can embellish them any way you want, of course. And they've got perforations right here in the center, so that you can have a little base there. Now I'm not going to embellish every one of these. I can do it after I put them on. Go ahead and bend them though. Get them all so they're popped up. And that looks really good. So the first one, move these over here. Alright, so you've got this. I would put it, you know, just kind of use your imagination. You can actually put it right there. You can actually just put it right in there. Okay, so if you want it to pop up, use these little I don't know if you can tell, but they're round. They're little double-sided round puppy things. And what I do is I'll just cut down in the middle of the round so that you get a lot more out of them. And you can use the inserts as well. The closer you put the puppy thing to the wing, the more it'll poof out. So let's go ahead and make this one poof out a lot so you can get the idea. Take those off. Put a little glue on. And you can see that once the glue is down and those are sticking, that the wings will stay up. And you want to check and make sure everything closes really nice. Perfect. Then you can start putting your other ones on. This one would look good right there. And you can just continue to build and build and build. Make sure that closes up real nice. Nothing sticking out. Got your first couple of ones on there. Now let's say you want to add one on the back of here. You can just go ahead and put one right there on the back of it. And I would put a little glue right there. And you've got one right on the back of there. Let's close it and make sure it doesn't show. Yep, looks great. So you've got a bunch of those. Go ahead and put a little pink on this one. Just be creative and make it yours. There's one right there. So you're going to open it up, and that's going to pop out. If it doesn't, if you don't like it, move it. Close it. Yep, everything's fitting. Nice. And we'll stick another one down here. Let's go ahead and put, I'll show you how to put the, so this whole half semicircle would be too much for this little one. So cut it in half. Undo your, take your little sticky off, put it on the back. Same thing on the other side. Put a little glue down the center. And put it right there. Put your embellishment on there. Let's make sure it closes. Yes, it's closing just fine with nothing sticking out. Pop open and then you've got another one. And you can just continue to build and continue to build because I've got, there's 6 right here. You have 18 butterflies. You can cut more if you want and just put tons and tons of them on and build them on top of each other. It's really fun and it looks really pretty. Now for the front, I will take this and let's put this silver. Put this here. Alright. You can do it to the side, you can do it straight. On this one I did it straight. So let's have it a little angled, give it a little bit of depth. Put it at an angle. Take your puppies, put it right there. And then it sticks up. The wing is up. And put that right there. And then you have these two little cuties here. I think I have smaller, yes, I have a couple of smaller nubbies that will look great. You put just one. There. I think I'll put him over here. And again, you can put the puppy thing underneath. And put this underneath here. And there you go. So easy. Have fun.